All right, back on the third floor. I'm in that room that is going to be my office. Give you the 360 here. Anyway, I've got some rearranging to do in here because I was just now over at the dungeon and looking, like I told you in my previous video, looking at everything and trying to figure out how I can put all that in here. Well, right here's where I put that light. I guess you can see that. I've been kind of moving a few things out from under there, and just finding all kinds of stuff. I'm the kind of person that's like, I know it's old. I know I have no clue what it is or what it was used for, but oh, that's heavy. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that is. But anyway, it's dirty. That's a heavy piece of metal. I'm going to keep that and clean that up. See, I'm the kind of person that says, one man's trash is another man's treasure. That's just me. I've got plenty of trash I need to get rid of, but there are other people that would think that my trash was their treasure. But I've got all these little popcorn things in here I need to do something with. And these are all metal. Some glass on the sides, other odds and ends. Metal pieces, weird parts and pieces. That's a heater there. But anyway, I got to get these things out of here. And I got to get this room cleaned up because this is where I'm going to put a lot of the stuff that's in the dungeon. When I say a lot of the stuff that's in the dungeon, I mean my computer and electronic stuff and the, all the different things that I'm going to use. Look at that. We even got tires up here. All right, so there's plastic stuff there. I won't keep any plastic stuff. Most of the metal stuff, I'll see if I can come up with another use for, because I just hate chunking stuff away. I really kind of like to find a new use for things, like right here. Old bulb. I don't know if that's any good or not. I could clean that up and try it out. Old fan blower. Old broom. I just need a handle for that broom. So oh, anyway. What I need to do is just stop looking around and get busy again. But what I'm going to do right here, since I've already got my light right here, and this is what I had planned on doing, was right here in this area, I'm going to take some of the space here. But I'm going to take a lot of this stuff off and kind of like kind of put it in here a little bit better, I guess you could say, so that I can use this top here. Ugh, it's filthy. But I'm gonna, as I bring things over from over there, then I'll slowly transition all the rest of this out. It's kind of like a big puzzle. Pieces in, pieces out. So let me get busy. Utility aluminum paint. Oh, feels empty. But anyway, I need to get a trash can up here and start putting stuff like that in it. But this thing, that's cardboard down there. The old cardboard definitely needs to go. A couple old pieces of wood. But this thing, is that wood? That's made out of wood. Okay, so it's not very heavy. Huh. That's wood. That's wood. Huh. Okay, well, I can disassemble maybe. Oh, there's another one over there. So I got at least 4 of those. But I can be disassembling things and reusing pieces and parts, like the handles are metal. I thought those things were going to be heavy, but they're not. Look at that. Okay, well, all right. Put that one right there. And got another one back here I can get. Oh, that makes a lot of room on there. Put that over here. Yeah, got a lot of cleaning to do. It is amazing how dirty this place is. Little popcorn dispensers. I really don't know if I can use pieces and parts off of these or not. I can use that screen. Definitely use that screen. Ah, get back in there. Yeah, pieces and parts. Pieces and parts. All right. Okay. So that's trash. Plastic thing's trash. I'm gonna keep the screen. Put the screen up here in this thing. But this plastic thing is trash. I'll just set that right there for now, because some of that stuff's trash. And keep those old heaters, those are antiques. Just like that thing's an antique. I don't know. I'll probably end up having this place jammed full of stuff that I don't need. These look like lids, metal pieces. Yeah, I gotta be careful and get something in my eye. All right, what I'm gonna do, go back out here in this big main room here, and okay, smelling something from outside. But anyway, sometimes people burn stuff around here, and other times they cook out. So I get all kinds of whiffs. Yeah, it smells like somebody's burning something somewhere. But I get whiffs of stuff, and I start to wonder, is that my building? That's scary sometimes. All right, well, I'm gonna get off of here and just kind of get busy. Wish me luck. Talk to you later. Bye.